tailbone is painful. Oops. No! Ah! Mahaba din tong lake. 30 miles. Yung end part nito dito na doon na sa New Mexico. May sarili din silang doon. Marina. Yeah, that's fast. Speed up. Malapit na kami sa port. May camping spot din dito. Nandoon sa area na yan. Pwede kayong mag-paddle-paddle lang. Ewan ko kung magkano per night. Oops! 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 Oh my gosh! More? Sakit na lalo ko likod.
So you can get the truck. Why did you park the truck all the way up there?
Because it has to be parked up there. No, it won't. Yeah.
Oh, anywhere here, Mike.
Mas madami pang tao ngayong July 4th. The weekend. Mas madaming tao.
Wait, what? Why
What?
is it wet?
Because, you know,
I didn't put in water.
yeah, but it splashes water in here. My back is wet.